www.tellerafricatickets.com.
Sing baby boy. And the funny thing is that boy come 9 months after my mama died. So I asked my wife, say, so I do? Say yes, I do. He say, eh. That's why I don't pick it talk natural. This thing not get, it's independent of you. They function on your own. Mama died, I cry, but I do. She don't enjoy the life. Not be smart, you know, on a serious note, I want die now. I want die, but now then I know say Nigerians, they show love and support in 2 ways. But I explain, I tire. But you wait till happen, safe. I say she dey sick. They say she dey sick. I just tell them say sick. Not me say she really sick. To avoid many talk. Because the original explanation, I say I carry her go airport. She enter plane, land for worry. Call me say she don't reach. 1 hour later, she was dead. I'll tell this person the story. Go say, sorry. Waka go. Have fun now. You remember Bobby, mama? She died, oh. My brother, what's in my ear here? My mouth not fit talk and come. But you remember Buchina? Say yes. Hey, tell her. Carry her go airport. She's sick. Inside plane. As she land, she call me. Say she don't reach. 1 hour later, she died. Sorry. We go see later. Oh, they go. Have fun now. Hey, Bobby, mama died, oh. Come. Have you remember? Tell them. They reach the point where they say, as they come, as they open gates from far, they say, my mama died. She enter plane. She reach 1 hour later. So I explain. But Nigerians, they show love and support. No, and they cry, support. See people, they write check. Sorry, don't cry again. Bah, you get the kind of check when I gather to do another burial for the hungry me. Come on, pass it, daddy, how body they do you? On the grave like this, that's why they cry. I say, let me die. That's how I go jump follow this body. They say, Bobby stops up and they shout, they cry. Don't check my own past paper, give me. And they cry and I check. If we want to die, my message changed. Go away, mommy. Till we meet up at I changed the story, you know? Because my recession, they cause out. Everybody, they adjust. Stay up now. Now, come on, I really try. What basket they praise you now? Where they praise you now? I really try. It's crazy now. Everybody don't adjust. Even guests now, they don't wear makeup again now. Snapchat filter. Makeup that they wear. You know men when they shock. Don't they toast girl online. The day you meet them, that thing not there, that flower not their head. You got it confused now you. See how you go people when they cinema, they watch film, when they sweet them. They all take popcorn, they throw. One girl where my guy carried the other day. My guy. She went through popcorn. Guy hold her hand. They chop her. Stop it. You know those days for club, those days you go there with babe when you meet for club, pop champagne, she go drink her, swallow her. You say, can I have your number? She'll say, for what? Because of drink. Let me replace it. You say, sorry. Now, I did my own dance. You just come as babe. Hey, I say, hey, what's up? I can't take my champagne. Tom, give you. You take her, put for mouth, swallow her. You be my baby. My love, let's go. Sarah, just like that, you don't even know my name. I don't need your name, you're my girlfriend. Swallow my champagne. Nigerian girls here, you guys are the boldest set of women in the world. When I get mine, who they say who there? Not be praise. The average white girl, take her out first date, chop, she go one pay for her own. I say average, not the meaning of average. Second date, surprise the average white girl, you bring her khaki, say, guess what? Surprise, got this for you. She's likely to say, oh my God, I mean, I barely really know afraid I can't take it. Come here. Surprise for you. She go still shout, oh my God, oh my God, you got this for me. Hope you put for it. And then she dey text her friend say, I don't cash you muku. Straight. Naija big, then they give you hope and nothing dey happen. 6 months you dey told to get one guy fly big from this Port Harcourt enter Lagos. She just say, I'm bored in PH. She said, come now. She said, really? Say, yes, I'll buy ticket for you. She land, if I take her go shopping. From shopping, they go chop. From chop, they go watch film. Then they reach hotel. First question she asked them, so where's my room? Say my room or our room? She said, me and you are not like that. Play the guy provoke. We are like that. When I buy ticket, you know ask me where's my money or my ticket. I take you shopping, you know ask where's my receipt or my bill. Now, we are like that. I know say, when I'm going to give excuse. You don't say, sorry, hold on, you're moving too fast, please, let's take it one step at a time. Because when many provoke, tell me the step we will jump. Now go do it now. One step. And the only that annoy me, some girls go call the form diabolic. Say you want to do. The truth is that any man I sleep with, you will not make it in life. They tell you, I've made it already. No, do. Another one that they talk, they go say, the truth is that if I sleep with you, I will hate you, I will block your number, I will not reply your message. Okay. No, yes, sir. The one where they make me laugh past now when you don't let me not go far. Don't put things, remain pants. Don't be like say I clear. What's going on here? With the party am. At the shop, where you dey when I dey put bra, put trousers, everything, see or see immigration. They cover up. The only excuse, because Nigerian girls, even when una like person, una not dey talk. White girl go tell you, say, I think I'm kind of into you. Straight. You know the Nigerian version of that thing? When you don't like guy finish, say, hope your girlfriend will not come and pour acid. Now the only excuse will be like, they won't check it. And not blame girls when they do that thing, no. Not blame them because normally, girls no say, girls they plant information and girls, now they do investigation pass. You know, when some girls they just enter house, hi honey, they don't go hug you, nothing, they don't walk out, go inside, go check toilet, whether hair, hand, anywhere, check. I make and I tell guys, if you like clean up, do everything, the most important thing, you don't see that guy forget home before. DJ, just ask me, say, me you want travel, you want go close deal, come lights me, they see you. Just ask me, say, where your passport? Where your passport? Man, bless I forget my passport. And this flight won't take off. How? Make I go collect them. Make I try. You see and say they contemplate. Ask me, say, where your phone? Where your phone? Straight to house. Because that phone, every man phone here. If you get mine, open your phone, give your woman now. You dey here. Open now. And when you don't run reach house, you go see her. I know they fear guests with the rake. Say, why you run from your phone, Abi? You see yourself? They're going to show you everything with day. You see yourself? Now you fear the one when they complain. When you don't run reach house, you they check her face now. She will not do things normally. When you tell her, say you don't get trouble there. And when she do the things which she not they do before, you wash your bosses, iron her, cook for you, they look at me. Say, chop. Say, baby, you must eat with me. Show me that you love me. The corner where she from the chop, now you come and follow the chop. They look at me. Panic. She go lock up. You understand? I mean, guys with a lock phone, una just dey waste una time. Woman will love you. If she want unlock your phone, she don't need the password. She hold that phone, put her for her chest like this. The phone go open. You don't cast with that. You know, you panic. Guess when all they talk, they'll just bone you 2-3 weeks. Your mind don't come out. Now when you know the suspect, she could just ask you one day, oh, say, hey, who is Edible Catering? Well, I know Edible Catering now. You don't know, man. You go know. Now we men now suffer that Edible Catering thing because before women feel say we still they use carpenter and laundry to save coded numbers. Since that Edible Catering, you know how many women can go they check again and say, hey, which one be airport security? My tell you now here, on code, my tell you now. If you want, make she not suspect you. In fact, here, any number where you know they suspect as a woman, and the number of that. When you see NNPC Finance Department, only you go wake and tell that is contract, you say, I'm coming, I need to answer this outside. And the number be that. Seriously. And they tell people, say, there are certain things you must never do to a woman. Forget, our women, they try. Now they really try. But it gets some level when I won't bring, will not be our style. Anything I want to do, but men, black, Nigerian, African men, get some things we not there our DNA, we don't understand. If they watch your Igbo program, you go see a woman face. Go tell the husband, you know what? Sleep on the couch. You give the man pillow and blanket. The man go carry, go. If she vex fast like that, leave the house. The man will go. My wife don't dey Yankee tire. Can't forget we are paid bride price. Come back, come correct. What's this text message? You know what? Sleep on the couch. I said, where did that? I don't even know. She said the long chair, sleep there. I said the bed spoil. Say in fact, leave the house. I can't look up, look everywhere. Dress back. I said, man, leave the house, go quarrel. So, no, you don't forget. We know they do like that here. Here, when we quarrel, even if Nami is wrong, now you go. And when you go, you not just come. You go call your family. You beg me. Then I will tell you sorry. And you can come back. That's the African man. There are certain things as guys you must never do. Never try them in relationship. Number one, not share Wi-Fi. When I know Wi-Fi now, we person will say, I beg, give me Wi-Fi password. That thing I set up. If your woman they ask you for password, you know why? Once you don't give her that password, she don't need the password again. Any day she near you, she go connect. So maybe they say, baby, there's this business I'm going to close in Abuja. We'll talk later. We'll condosh. Go hotel. As she come out, she don't enter car, they drive. Pass all the better hotel, hold the phone like this. If network enter, she said, eat your day. Room to room, she dey waka. When they reach the room, the network goes strong. Number two, never lie about your location. You see this question women ask, where are you? Once you hear that question, they don't see you. Not even turn. She go tell you, stop turning. Just say where you are. One man lied. Now remember when 9/11 happened, when the Twin Towers fall? Yankee, true story. The man kissed his wife for morning and said, I'm off to work. The branch baby place. They enjoy himself. The woman on TV. The two Twin Towers don't fall. Out of panic. My husband. And the guy people said, hello. Where are you? I said, I'm in the office. She said, which office? He said, don't you know my office? I'm in the office. She said, on TV. The guy on her. She said, office don't fall. And so that marriage end. But you know, say that guy not be sharp guy. Niger man, where are you? I'm in a meeting now. You are sure? Yes. You are sure? He goes, stop asking me. My guy is even looking at me. He's angry that I'm picking the phone, but because I love you, that's why I pick this call. On television, I say, oh, she said the office don't fall. He will say, I'm not telling you, say they don't transfer me. Sharp guy. because of time. The last one, as a man here, every woman know your mumu button. Even if she not the user, she dey save am. Never share your mumu button with a woman. If you share am and you want break up, not go break up with am for house. Break up on phone because come. Wetin be no? Come. Between una two, one of una come. Okay, Pink, you. Come quick. When I clap for her, come. I don't want to show you simple analogy. Okay, calm down. Stairs there, Abby. No, come, I'll carry you. Hold me. Road not there. Bring chair. Climb the chair. Come, bring that chair. Calm down. Ogana, your wife, girlfriend, sister. How are you? What's your name? Nikki. Okay, nice to meet you. I just want to show them. I want to show them. You understand? Now, my guys, basket, everybody, they see you for club when I travel. So as I come back and say, oh boy, you get a fuck up. What's his name? Isoro. So they see you on Port Harcourt forming big boy. Say you did club with her. So I don't vex now. I want break up. My mumu button, na yeah. But you push me 3 times. When I ask you a question, and all you ask me back is, who told you? You understand? Seductive voice. They push me for chest. Who told you? You understand? When I don't reach my end, after 3 times, don't rub the ear. Enjoy yourself. Baby, I heard that when I traveled, you went to the club with some boys forming big boy.
Who told you?
That does not matter. Were you in the club or not with somebody?
Who told you?
Look, just answer the question.
I said, who told you?
It does not matter because right now, me and you have reached our last bus stop. Come as in, I mean, they told you. Oh, you do the last one again. The last one again. Are you ready? Just answer or reach our last bus stop.
Who told you?
Look, it does not matter. Go straight to the point.
I told you.
It's not like I believe them. You know basket. And I go die. They were judging you. I said, can't guess, just have fun. Do you know when I gave her permission? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Bye, Port Harcourt.
To sell or buy event tickets online, visit www.tellerafricatickets.com or call 070-379-63884. Africa's online tickets shop.